Good morning class. When we'll talk about the chapter number 5, we are starting with the periodic property, atomic property, on which we are going to talk about valency. We'll talk about the particular atomic size, atomic radius, metallic and non-metallic character, acidic and basic nature of their oxides, and lastly we'll talk about electronegativity. So children, when we'll talk about this, a very last topic of your chapter, and when we'll talk about the periodic property, that means when we'll talk about the particular elements, they have their own identity with the number of electrons, with the number of protons, with number of the neutrons. So when we'll talk about the very first about the valency, what is valency? Valency is known as the combining capacity, children. So when we'll talk about the combining capacity of any of the element, it is known as valency. So when we talk about the modern periodic table, what I am going to do over here is, I am just going to give you the clear picture about all the atomic properties which we have learned till right now. So here there is a group 1 and group 2 element. I am writing the group 1, group 2, group 3 to group 12. Okay. Then group 13, group 14, group 15, group 16, group 17. All I am writing over here, that is 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and this is group 18. Okay. So here what we are discussing about first, about the valency. What you say about the variation of valency when you are moving left to right in the periodic table and when you are moving top to bottom. And that is left to right, that is a period. We are talking about period, and top to bottom, that means we are talking about group. So children, when we talked about the valency, first it is increasing and then it is going to be decreasing. Okay, and for the particular group it is remain fixed. When we are moving left to right, it is going to be there decrease from 1 to increase from 1 to 4, then again decrease from 4 to 0, and down the group it is remain fixed as the number of valence electrons are remain fixed. Valency is depend on the number of valence electron. So when we are moving left to right, the number of valence electron are increasing with the succeeding element, whereas when we talked about when we are moving down the group, the valence electron remain fixed. Valence cell is going to be increased. Secondly, we talked about atomic size and atomic radius. Atomic size and atomic radius, when we talk about atomic radius, is known as the distance from the center of the nuclei. Suppose ये मेरे पास एक element है, so when we talk about the nucleus to the last cell, ये L cell तक का जो distance है, it is known as atomic radius. So when we talk about again for the period, we can say that the atomic size and atomic radius are going to be decreased, and down the group it is going to be increased, because when we talked about the nuclear charge, effective nuclear charge is going to be increased, and due to that the particular distance is going to be increases, and they have the very when we talked about the distance that is more, and due to that they have increase in the atomic size and atomic radius. Now we will talk about the metallic character when we are moving in the period. So when we are moving left to right in the period, that is metals. These are also known as metals, but group P block elements, in which mostly they are made up of non-metals and semi-metals. So we can say that metallic character when we are moving along the period, it is decreased, and non-metallic character increase. Non-metallic character जैसे जैसे जाएंगे बढ़ता जाएगा. When we talked about the group, the metallic character increases and non-metallic character decreases. जैसे जैसे हम ऊपर से when we are moving down the group, metallic character increases and non-metallic character decreases. Now lastly, when we talked about the oxide, metals are always forming basic oxides. Metal हमेशा कौन से ऑक्साइड फॉर्म करेंगे? बेसिक ऑक्साइड्स. And non-metals they are forming the acidic oxides. So when you talk about that oxides, when we are moving left to right, basic oxide, nature of basic oxide decreases, nature of acidic oxide increases. In same manner, for the group basic oxide, nature of basic oxide increasing, whereas the acidic oxide is going to be decreased. Lastly, about the electronegative element, these all are P block. They are mostly electronegative element because we can say that all of them they are having a non-metallic nature. So when we are moving, what is electronegativity? Electronegativity is nothing but it is a tendency of an atom to just attract the shared pair of electron in the particular compound. So that is known as electronegativity. When we are moving along a period, atomic size decrease होगा, न्यूक्लियर चार्ज इंक्रीज होगा. Due to that, the electrons are bound very closely, and due to that, we can say that electronegativity increase. And when we are just moving top to bottom, we can say that here decrease, and when we are moving top to bottom, it is going to be increase. That means when we talk about fluorine, fluorine is the most electronegative element among all 118 elements, and cesium is least electronegative element, or you can say that is the most electropositive element. So this is all about the particular periodic property. You can say about the valency it is decrease when we are moving left to right in the period, and it is increasing when we are when we are talking about period 1 to 4 it is increase, and again when we are moving left to right 4 to 1 it is decreasing. That means it is not fixed. In the group it is remain fixed as the number of valence electrons are fixed. Atomic radius and atomic size when we are moving left to right it is going to be decrease in the period and increase in the group. Metallic character decrease along the period and increase along the group. Non-metallic character increase along the period, decrease along the group. Metallic oxides, that means basic oxides, when we are moving down the group they are increasing, and when we are moving left to right in the period it is decreasing. Non-matrix acidic character it is going to be there, increasing when we are moving left to right in the periodic table. Down the group it is decreasing. Electronegativity is the last point, where it is a tendency of the atom to just attract the shared pair of electron. So along the period it is decreasing, and down the group it is going to be decrease. So along the group when we have talked about, so metallic character decreases, atomic size decreases, nuclear charge increase. Due to that electronegativity when we have talked about, so when we have talked about fluorine and oxygen, fluorine is most electronegative than fluorine oxygen, and when we move down the group it is going to be the decreases. So that is when we talk about the most electronegative element along 118 element is fluorine, least electronegative that is cesium. So that what we have learned about chapter number 5. So your syllabus for your post midterm, the whole pre-board in which we are taking all the chapters 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. See children, learn thoroughly and give the exam in a very honest manner. Try to write the answer by yourself, and best of luck and have a nice day children.